Okay, right here is the number 0. So what would be the next number after 0? You got it, 1. What comes after 1? Did you say 2? Draw it in the air. What does it look like? Does yours match? What comes after 2? Draw it in the air. See if it looks like mine. Did you make a 3? What's after 3? Draw it with your finger on your table. Does it look like that? Number 4. And what comes after 4? Does it look like 5? What's after 5? Did you say 6? Draw it in the air. See if it looks like mine. After 6 comes, what's going to be there? Draw it on the table in front of you. Is it a 7? Does it look like mine? Is it going the right way? What comes after 7? You got it, 8. What does it look like? Does it match mine? After 8 is, what does it look like? Draw it on the table in front of you. Make sure it's not a P. Did yours go the right way? After 9 comes, you got it, our first 2-digit number, 10. A 1 in the front and a 0 in the back. All right, we're going to take a look at our next set of numbers. What comes after 10? Did you say 11? What does 11 look like? Did you say a 1 in the front and a 1 in the back? Good job. What comes after 11? This word is hard for a lot of friends. Did you say the number 12? What does 12 look like? I hope you said a 1 in the front and a 2 in the back. 12. What comes after 12? What does it look like? 13, 1 in the front, 3 in the back. What comes after 13? What does it look like? Did you say a 1 in the front, 4 in the back? 14. What comes after 14? 15, you're right. What does it look like? A 1 in the front and a 5 in the back. Do you notice any patterns? What do you notice on the front side of all of those numbers? Take a look at the back side. Can you find any patterns there? Okay, I have to put this one down because I don't have enough hands or space to hold them both. But remember, we were at 15. What's after 15? Did you say 16? What does it look like? Does that match what you thought? What comes after 16? A 1 with a 7? 17? You got it. In the air, Draw what you think comes after 17. Did you draw an 18, a 1 with an 8? Now in front of you on the table, draw with your finger. What comes after 18? A 1 with a 9? You got it. Now, that is the end of our teen family. What comes after 19? What is it going to look like? What does it start with? Let's see if you got it. The number is 20. How is that different than the teen family that we just did? What does it start with? What would come next if I had one more card right here? Talk about the patterns that you just saw with all of these numbers and what would come next.